Mrs. Mavis Lucinda Sheila Brown. That is the name of my granny. And also she have enough name, and so she thought enough. You're in a room there complain about something else or the other.
Now look here. Imagine, we drive all the way from Montego Bay to Kingston. Me, my son and my granddaughter in the motor vehicle. And we have a nice trip. So till we catch at the place where the somebody live. Me son tap the car and proceed to wind up the car window and order us to stay inside of the vehicle. So me ask if nobody not going out to call whole dog. He was so mad at me for even suggesting something like that there. And he proceed to dial the gentleman's cellular number. Well, see ya, a 14 time him call the number and no answer. 14 time. So me say, make we not this go out go call whole dog. Me granddaughter she take me on and tell me say me must get with the times. She claim to say she dey go text him. Me never know saying hard if he get with the times we no go knock on people gate and call them again. Well, after one next 5 minutes and he no answer the text, me thought fi open the door. The child say, no granny, wait them make a baby him to fall it. Baby, me nearly drop a ground, for me no know what name so. After another 10 minutes and no answer to the baby, she say, maybe him handline, make a FB him. Look here now. After 45 minutes of call and text and BB and FB, me this come out and call HD. You no know what name so? It mean whole dog. Of course, after do that, the gentleman come out and say, ayo, me did this, they go call police. For me I wonder who park and me get so long and not even blow their hand to deacons. After everything done, for me granddaughter she, but she a go him, I won't say again, him a got Tweety Bird it, me name remember. One thing me have to say, me a night and me don't talk.
Join us again next time for more Granny Rant.